I have a lot of requests by my OFW brothers about pattern tiles because some don't like it, some don't, some do, I mean. So these are the new styles of pattern tiles here in Cebu Home and Builders. The size is 40 by 40, and those are the design I will tell you as I go along. So that design, this design, and this one. So that's 4 tiles to create a design. That's 48 pesos per tile at 40 by 40. And there's another one. So to achieve that design, the pattern design is created, you need to have 4 to have a proper look at the design it created. That's 48 still, 48 pesos each tile. So you need to like count 4 tiles in a pattern. Although they have this new ones as well, 40 by 40 in different pattern, in which you don't need 4 to create a pattern. But there you are, you can see what's available at 48 pesos each. This one on the top is 60. There's another pattern one here at 49 pesos each. But the point of this video is about pattern tiles. There's 53 pesos each, 53, and this 49. Again, heavily patterned tiles, which is what is the request by several subscribers and viewers now. That's 53 on the top, a different design. And this one here, 53 pesos. This 3 online on the top, middle, and the gray one. Again, 53 pattern. That's 53. And I will just show you mostly what is the pattern ones. This is 49. This is heavily patterned, 68 per tile. That's 40 by 40. This is 54, 54, 59, 54. That's 69. It's matte. It's got texture on it, so it's not slippery. 69.75. This 3 online. 69.75, 59, and 59. The diamonds. And this wood is 69. The top 69, 62, 68. These are the 30 by 30 heavily patterned tiles. Again, this one is 27 pesos each. So all of these patterns that you're looking at is only 27 pesos each. 30 by 30. This is 29 pesos each. Again, 30 by 30. That's 29 still. This one now comes down to 23 pesos each. But this is 20 by 20. From the original price is 30% off. $33 pesos each. So another pattern is here. That's 60 by 60. 118 pesos each. And there's the other patterns. 49. This is special sizes of 30 by 60. This usually is wall tiles. There's your checker effect, brick effect. That's for your pattern tiles. This is 49, 55, 55, 49 on the top. That's pesos I'm talking about. So 49 is about $1. Another 30 by 30 on sale, 24 pesos each, is this pattern here. So that's 24 pesos each. They also got this kind of pattern, 30 by 30 at 19 pesos each. This one, the plain ones are 23 pesos each. You got 20 by 20, but it's like it's got texture and looks like granite with texture at 45 to 49 pesos each.